Well, since then, what we've done is we have literally changed over all the cleaning products we used to use. We had several different cleaners, we had bleaches, we had soaps, and what we've done is little by little changed over to Simix completely. We've used it out here on the floor. It's completely eliminated the slippage problem and the grease. In the last year, we've also gone into using it in our 3-compartment sinks to clean the drains. And since then, since we've been using it, and we do a flush about once every week or every other week, we flush it, and what happens is we've eliminated the need for any type of plumbers coming out to rod the drains. They love it. It's only one product for them to use. It's hypoallergenic, and they've noticed that it didn't hurt their hands. It didn't irritate them like some of the harsher chemicals did. They actually enjoy using it. One of the things too is the sides of the ovens, the fronts of the ovens. The guys didn't like how their hands felt with using greasy water with other chemicals, because the grease, even though it broke down, it would reconstitute when it got colder. The Simix breaks it down and keeps it emulsified. You can see the shine on here. Because of that, they're willing to clean it more. Again, they like cleaning it. They like it to look nice. So all the tables, booths, and chairs have been cleaned with Simix, so we know they're sanitized and cleaned. Not only do we use them in our grills and our cutting boards, when we do our fryers, it literally costs pennies to do. The advantage there is we don't have any of the really harsh caustic cleaners. It doesn't hurt their hands. There aren't noxious fumes. And again, if it's easy to use, the guys will like using it and they'll do a better job. So since we've been using the Simix flush through our 3-compartment sink, we've been able to eliminate the hydrojetting, which ran us anywhere between $2,000 and $2,400 a year, and it only costs us the price of a couple boxes of Simix. So since the pandemic, we've gone a step further and used the Simix antimicrobial ceramic coating, and we've applied it to our tables, to our booths, to the walls, and to the floor. It continually disinfects and cleans. So here we are in the men's washroom, and I just wanted to show you that we clean the floors, the walls, the fixtures with Simix, and because of it there's no more smells from urine or anything like that. You can hear by the squeakiness how clean they are. Instead of spending $2 or $3 a bottle for the other window cleaners with ammonia, it costs us just pennies a bottle, and that's what we really like about this product. As you can see, there's no residue on the windows or the floors. The touch screen, which we've tested in the past, and it was pretty dirty. And now about every half hour we spray a microfiber towel, wipe the screen, and it's sanitized and cleaned. One of the staff said, well, let's try it inside of the urns because they get quite a bit of buildup there. So we rinse them out once a week. It takes very little of the Simix to accomplish that. They're completely clean. The most important thing is that the place smells clean, it looks clean, people don't slip. So from a safety standpoint, it's fantastic. From a cleaning standpoint, it's just been great. And it's been economical. We've probably saved anywhere between 60 and 70% over last year, cutting our costs between plumbers and between cleaning products.